Hi friends, this is the time circuit switch mod. This thing has around 15 parts, no 50, and so each part was painted individually. The sticker is made of aluminum foil. So I just want to show you how to install here. This part has the normal 2 pins here. So the 2 pins will be put in the holes here. Okay, and that is all. The only thing I asking to do is to put this from this way. Don't put the acrylic part because it's a little fragile, you can really broken this thing. Just put like this and fix with the AP screw, that's all. So as you can see in the front part there are 2 micro screws and some internal details, so you can turn this thing and the internal part will move. Okay, so I have another here without the acrylic part. So here you can see how is the tile inside. So you can see that is mechanically functional. So it's nice. I need to cut this part. So he's made with a metal rod, so any risk to broken, and that is the model. So for shipping, I'm sorry I'm putting like this. I think this thing will survive the travel, the long travel. So I will put in this way. So when you open, try to be careful. Don't try to use any cutter. Very, you are smart people. So this will be delivered in this kind of box. I think this thing will survive. So the white part will protect the model very well. So I hope you will be satisfied with this, and if you have any question, please contact me. Thank you.